scooping up ice.
Oh, the lightning's gonna come up there. They're right here.
The lightning only goes for high.
Wait, let's take a video. Let's take a video. Okay, ready?
All the ice, lightning in the skies. It's so much lightning.
Ooh, that's a picture.
I know.
Ready? Let's take a video. Hold my hands.
Oh, there's a lot of lightning up in here.
What the hell?
And we're scooping. Oh, we're scooping up ice. Oh, guys, these look. Ow!
Sorry.
These look like pebbles.
I need to vlog. Not on my phone.
Yeah, it's on a cold day. Well, not really cold, but it's cold. And oh my God, Nike shoes outside here.
Here.
You can't take it in.
We can take it.
Woo! Oh, I hear it. Inside. Oh my God!
Flash it right here. Flash it right here.
Look at all the snow. We have a lot of snow today.
Oh, the little thing fell. What thing? The little bug, Peter. Oh, who cares about that?
Oh, I wish that was on over there, the heater. Alright, we're all sleeping downstairs. This is scary.
Yeah.
I cannot stand in my room.
Did you see that?
Ooh. They're getting the trampoline from all the way on the third side. Oh, this could get struck. You better stay back from it.
Well, from us, it's bad.
Oh my God! Woo! Oh, our trampoline is dead. They're grabbing the pieces up, wrapping it up. Oh, I need a jacket. Woo! It's cold.
No way.
Not a sand.
I need a...
Oh! Chris! My slippers can't stand these. I paid from Hawaii, okay? So we gotta salu. No, salu it off. You cannot stand ice here. That's your dad's good shoes.
It's Chris's.
Oh. Me too. Yeah, we had a big hailstorm and we're scooping off all
And I can't go over
the
there.
ice. And we're scooping off all the ice. Whoa. And we slip.
Actually, you don't need to do that. There's already enough.
Is there on the ice?
The hailstorm turned out.
Woo. Grill. Oh my God. Guys, you better stay back.
Oh my God.
Wait.
Okay, ready? Okay. What the hell?
Here, let me see this. I'm gonna go on the grass real fast.
I know.
No, let me go on the grass real fast. Oh, there's a jack up. A water hose. Oh, guys! Chris! Chris! I'll grab it.
What?
Hold the dog in.
No, don't.
No.
Running.
Hey, Chris! I'm gonna go vlog right there inside that thing.
No, wait, that's it. Stay up here.
Oh.
What is this?
Holy smokes. Lucky thing, this never fly. How is this never flying down? Our trampoline flew. Impossible.